Hello and welcome to another episode of GG Top Fun Facts, where we explore the most interesting and surprising facts about different countries around the world. Today, we are going to talk about a country as South America which that a law that allows dueling under certain conditions. Yes, you heard that right. In this country, dueling, as in fighting with swords or pistols, if both parties are blood donors. How and why is this possible? Let's find out. Dueling is an ancient practice that involves two people settling a dispute or a challenge by engaging in a combat with weapons of their choice, usually under the supervision of a referee or a second. Dueling was common in Europe and America from the 15th to the 19th centuries, but it gradually declined and became illegal in most countries due to its violent and dangerous nature. However, Paraguay is one of the few countries that still has a law that permits dueling under certain circumstances. According to Article 22 of the Paraguayan Constitution of 1992, the right to life is inherent to the human person. No one shall be deprived of it, except in compliance with a final judgment rendered by a competent court. However, there is one condition that both parties must meet before they can duel. They must be registered blood donors. This requirement was added in 1920 by the then president of Paraguay, Manuel Gondra, who was a physician and a humanitarian. He wanted to discourage dueling by making it more difficult and costly for the participants. He also wanted to promote blood donation as a way to save lives and improve public health. The law does not specify what kind of weapons or rules are allowed for dueling, but it is assumed that they follow the traditional codes of honor and etiquette. The law also does not state where or when the duels can take place, but it is likely that they are done in secluded and private locations. The law also does not mention what happens if one or both parties die or get injured during the duel, but it is presumed that they are responsible for their own actions and consequences. Dueling in Paraguay is not common or popular nowadays, as most people prefer more peaceful and civilized ways of resolving their conflicts. However, there have been some cases of dueling reported in the media in recent years, mostly involving politicians, journalists, or celebrities who had personal or professional disagreements. Dueling in Paraguay is one of the most weird and unusual laws in the world, and it shows how different countries have different legal systems and cultural values. It also raises some ethical and moral questions about the right to life and the freedom of choice. What do you think about this law? Would you ever duel someone if you had the chance? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun facts.